Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today we're having a little fun with 7 non-toxic ways to make him just a tiny bit jealous. Now, I'm not talking about toxic games or trying to hurt his feelings. This is about being playful, teasing him in a way that actually makes him smile, and reminding him that you're someone worth keeping close. Whether it's your boyfriend, your situationship, or even your crush, these tricks work. And stick with me till the end, because the bonus tip is so simple, but it drives guys absolutely crazy every time. 1. The late reply trick. You know how he's used to you replying right away? Flip the script. Let that message sit for 10, 15 minutes. Just long enough for him to wonder what you're up to. When you finally reply, suddenly he's way more attentive than usual. Question for you. Do you usually reply instantly, or are you already the type who makes people wait? 2. The celebrity crush test. Drop a casual line like, "You know who I actually think is kind of cute?" Then mention a celebrity or even a fictional character. Nothing serious, just playful. The way he reacts will tell you a lot, and low-key, it sparks a competitive streak in him. 3. The glow-up selfie. Post a fire selfie on your story. No caption, no explanation. Just vibes. When he sees the likes and comments rolling in, that little twinge of jealousy will hit, but deep down he'll also feel proud that he's the one who has your attention offline. 4. The laugh at someone else's joke move. This one's subtle, but so effective. If another guy says something funny and you let out a genuine laugh, trust me, he notices. Guys can't help it. Even if he plays it cool, inside he's like, "Wait, why is she laughing so hard?" Be honest. Do you think your laugh would make your crush jealous or just melt him? 5. The girl's first energy. When you're hanging out, don't rush to give him all your attention. Focus on your friends, give them your energy, make them laugh. He'll notice he's not the center of your world in that moment, and suddenly, he'll crave your attention even more. 6. The style compliment trick. Say something light like, "Wow, that guy's jacket is nice." Nothing deep, just an observation. But it plants a little seed in his mind. Okay, so she notices things like that? Maybe I should step it up. 7. The fun without him. Go out with your friends, have brunch, go shopping, take cute pictures, and actually enjoy yourself. Then casually mention it to him later. The idea that you had a whole good time without him there? Yeah, that one always lands. Bonus, the social media mystery. Every once in a while, post something fun but slightly mysterious. Maybe it's you laughing with a group. Maybe it's just your hand holding a drink at a nice spot. Don't tag anyone. Don't explain. His imagination will do the work for you, and that's where the jealousy kicks in. And that's it. 7 little tricks to make him jealous in the cutest way possible. Nothing toxic, nothing messy, just enough to keep him on his toes. Because let's be honest, a tiny pinch of jealousy can actually make things more exciting. So, which one of these would you try first? The late reply, the celebrity crush, or maybe the glow-up selfie? Drop it in the comments, I'm curious. And hey, if you want more playful tips like this, don't just watch and leave, hit that subscribe button. Because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.